Hello to everyone. Today I'm going to present my personal digital project, First Century Romance Collection. This personal collection features 13 books between 7 and 12 pages in a Spanish version. Those books are from the most representative Roman historians of the first century. If we go to the browse section, you can find all the objects. You can sort by the title, they created, creator, subject, etc. So if we click on title, so it's gonna be in alphabetic order. For example, Anales is gonna show you who is the author, what is the publication date, who is the translator, a brief description of the book, uh, what is the series. In this case is Clásicos de Grecia y Roma, who is the publisher, and also you can get access by PDF format. If you go to the subjects, all the subjects are in Spanish because the content of the books is in Spanish. Also, those subjects were made personally by me because unfortunately I did not find official subjects regarding these topics. If we go to the collections, again, the names of the places are in Spanish. However, it's not a big deal because the spelling of those words or names are very similar in English. So it's not going to be hard to figure out. If we go to the timeline section, it's a range of years of the book publication. So it's from 1989 to 2018 or 2018. If we go to the collection metadata section, so you can download the data by the Excel or CSV. Anyway, you will find all information in the metadata or here in the collection builder site. If we go to the about section, it explained the goal of this project or collection. So it explained who's this project idea, etc. In the people section, it is a brief biography of me. In the technical documentation, it explained how the books were digitized, and also I explained about the metadata standards, describing the every doubling core elements. If we go to the right section, I explain briefly about the copyright of every single publisher. Also, you can click of any of these hyperlink and you can find more information about their copyright. Concerning acknowledgements, I appreciate Dr. John Walsh and Alex for helping me with the creation of my project. If we go to the historical context in the advertising section, I explain briefly about the publishers. The most important aspect to mention here is that all of them are from Spain. Unfortunately, I did not find publisher from Latin America who publish classic books, but it is what it is. In the classic authors section, I describe a brief biography of every single author, and also you can see the references if you want to read more information about every single author. In the reading public, the question is, to whom are the classic Latin books addressed? Those publishers have their own series, like for example, Clásicos de Roma y Grecia or Latinos, which are addressed to different audiences, not only for scholars or researchers, but also for random people who are very interested in these topics. In the bibliography section is particularly a citation of all the books that I included in this collection. In the related resources, I mentioned that unfortunately in the Spanish context, there are very few databases or catalogs which contain classic text or classic books in Spanish. The only one that I found is Filología Clásica. However, there are other databases which are very helpful, and also it would work as a references for the future uh, collections, digital collections. In sum, I think this collection builder is a good opportunity to create new websites and digital collections from different fields. In my case, I think it's a good opportunity to share my passion for history. One observation that I have is that this is very time consuming because it's very hard to find to fix issues by myself. However, I think it's a good challenge for the future. I would like to learn more uh, details and tools for improving new collections in the future. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.